Good morning all my dear students of class 5. This is a maths teacher and the host of this video, Ajit Haridas Mane, welcomes into this today's online video lecture series. So this is our video number 6, and in previously videos we are starting our fourth lesson, multiplication and division. The heading and the title of this fourth lesson you can observe on this green board here. So in video number 5, that is in previously videos, we are starting for our problem set number 15 that given in our textbook on page number 19 there. So in that last video, we just completed question 1 there, and in that question 1 we complete 6 examples on this green board, and the remaining examples that here I am giving to you as a homework there. I hope so you will be completed all these examples in your classwork notebook here. Now today in this video we are going to start here for the rest of remaining examples, that is the remaining questions given in our this problem set number 15. So the rest of remaining that are given examples that are on word problems there. So one by one we are going to continue these word problems into this video. So let's start for second question. Now this second question here I am going to write here on this green board. So this question in this way: how many hours will it take to travel 336 kilometer at a speed of 48 kilometer per hour. So this is your question 1 here into this word problem. So while solving this word problem here, it will be need to read out this word problem carefully here. So look at that question 2. How many hours will be it take to travel 336 kilometer at a speed of 48 kilometer per hour? So while solving any word problem, first we should get the meaning of that word problem here carefully. So if we try to continue the meaning of some important words into this example that is in our Marathi language, that is hours, तास, take, लागतात, आवश्यक, to travel, प्रवास करणे, speed, वेग, per hour, this concept is important, per hour, एक तास, प्रति तास. तर या ठिकाणी या एक्झाम्पलचा अर्थ थोडा आपण मराठीत समजावून घेतला तर या ठिकाणी प्रति तास 48 किलोमीटर वेगाने 336 किलोमीटर हे अंतर पूर्ण करण्यासाठी किती तास लागतील? That means if you observe into this first word problem, we have given a speed that is at 48 kilometer per hour. Now the speed means that vehicle, particular vehicle, it should be completed that given distance in 1 hour there. So the distance completed in 1 hour, particular averagely 1 hour, it always known as a speed there, speed of that vehicle. या ठिकाणी स्पीड आहे प्रति तास, एका तासात किती अंतर पूर्ण होतं हे आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे आणि टोटल अंतर दिलेलं आहे. तर या टोटल एकूण अंतराला पूर्ण करण्यासाठी किती वेळ लागेल असं विचारलं आहे. सो इन दिस द टोटल गिव्हन डिस्टन्स इट शुड बी डिवायडेड बाय द गिव्हन स्पीड हियर. सो इफ द टोटल डिस्टन्स इज डिवायडेड बाय गिव्हन स्पीड देन वी कॅन completed our hours. That is the final answer. So let's continue the division process of this example. So we identify we had to continue the division operation into this example. That's why here I am making vertical arrangement of division. So total distance 336, it should be divided by given speed 48. So starting from 3, extreme left digit at 100 place. So 3 divided 48 is not possible, we take carry 0, 48 into 0, 0. So 3 minus 0, that is 3 here. The next digit we take below, that is 3. We get a 2-digit number 33. So 33 divide 48, again not possible because 33 is smaller. So quotient take 0, 48 into 0, 0, 0. So 33 minus 0, that remaining 33. Now the next digit 6 we take here. Now we get a 3-digit number, that is 336. Now it should be continued now. So we had to find out by which quotient would be take here. So that's why at rough work I am checking the biggest quotient. 9 8s are 72, 9 4s are 36, plus 7 43, 432, quite greater. So instead of 9, we just check out 8 here. So 8 8s are 64, 6 taken as carry, 8 4s are 32, plus 6 38. Is it possible? No. Now instead of 8, less than 8, that is 7. Now we check here. So 48 into 7, 7 8s are 56, 5 carry, 7 4s are 28 plus 5, 33. Yes, exact 336 get. That means quotient should be get 7. So 48 into 7, we get 336. Now we subtract from 336. Remainder we get 0. Now in this division, the last digit 6 comes below and it will be gets divided. Our division process complete. So we get final answer as 7. So we can say here that vehicle, it should be needed 7 hours to complete 336 km such distance at a speed of 48 km per hour. So this is word problem. So we try to complete our full answer. How many hours will it take to travel 336 km? So instead of how many, we kept our final answer and remaining sentence we continue as it is. So 7 hours will it take to travel 336 kilometers. In this way, we had to complete the answer for second question here. Now let's proceed towards the second word problem in this video and serial number question 3 in this problem set. So on this green board here I am going to write about question 3. So here Girija needed 35 cartons cartons to pack 1400 books. Full stop. There are equal number of books in every carton. Full stop. How many books did she pack did she pack in to each carton? Question mark here. So this is your question 3 given in this problem set number 15. Now we want to complete the answer for this example. First, we had to identify the operation given into this example. And to find that operation, we get the meaning of some important sentence into our Marathi language. Girija, that is the name of girl there, needed, आवश्यक आहेत, लागतात, cartons, box, खोकं, to pack, बांधणे, बसवणे, books, पुस्तके, equal, समान, number of books, पुस्तकांची संख्या, every carton, प्रत्येक खोक्यामध्ये. Okay, these are meaning of some important words into this example. After this, getting the meaning of important words, we are trying to catch up the meaning of this example in our Marathi language. गिरिजाकडे एकूण 1400 पुस्तकं आहेत आणि हे 1400 पुस्तकं तिला 35 खोक्यांमध्ये बसवायचे आहेत. बसवत असताना प्रत्येक खोक्यामध्ये पुस्तकांची संख्या समान ठेवायची. तर 1400 पुस्तकांसाठी त्या ठिकाणी जे 35 बॉक्स लागणार आहेत याचा विचार केला तर प्रत्येक बॉक्समध्ये किती पुस्तकं बसतील असं आपल्याला विचारलं. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस एक्झाम्पल इन आवर मराठी लँग्वेज. नाव after getting the understand of this the meaning of this example, then we can say here, in this example we have given the total number of books that Girija had and she required total 35 boxes to pack such number of books there. So while packing these books into such 35 cartons or 35 boxes, we had to find out number of books that would be packed in one box there. So that's why we had to divide the given number of books as per these 35 cartons here. So in short, here I am saying that the total number of books 1400, it should be divided by given number of cartons here. Then we can get the answer as the number of books packed in one carton. So that's why here I am identifying the operation of division into this question 3. So let's carry out the division process in vertical arrangement. That is the answer for this example. Total number of books 1400 divided by number of cartons 35. Starting from 1. 1 divide 35. It is not possible. Quotient takes 0. So 35 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Next digit 4 we take below. 14 makes 14 divide 35, not possible. Again quotient takes 0. So 14 minus 0, 14 as it is. Next digit 0 takes below now. It makes 3 digit number 140. 140 divide 35. I think check out 4za. I think it should be get 140 exact. So that's why here I am taking quotient 4, 35 4za 140. So subtract from 140, that gets 0. Some students says our example is completed, but it is not completed. The last digit 0 get below. Again some says example completed. It is not complete now. Now this 0 we had to divide by 35. So 0 divide 35 is not possible. So we take quotient 0 and then 35 into 0, 0. So let's subtract here. Now division, it should be complete here. So that's why we get here final answer as 40. So in each box Girija should be packed 45 books there. So that's why we complete our final answer. So look at the last question given into this example. How many books did she pack into each carton? So how many and did, these two words we remove because these words we had to ask question, and instead of this word we kept our final answer 40 there, and remaining sentence we continue as it is. So 40, how many replaced by 40, then books she packed into each carton. Full stop. So this is the answer of question 3. Now let's proceed towards question number, the next given into this problem set, that here I want to take on this green board in front of you. So the next question, it will be in this way. That is question number 4. That's in this way. The contribution for a picnic was 65 rupees each. Full stop. Altogether 2,925 rupees were collected. Stop. How many had paid for the picnic? So this is the example given into this under question 4 of this problem set 15 here. So here into this problem set number 15, the question that we continues here. First we read out this example. Let's try to read out yourself. Now the contribution for a picnic was 65 rupees each. Altogether 2,925 rupees were collected. How many had paid for the picnic? So while taking the meaning of this example, contribution म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी वाटणी किंवा त्या ठिकाणी थोडक्यात भाग असं आपण म्हणू शकतो. पिकनिक छोटीशी सहल, रुपीज पैसे, ईच प्रत्येकी, ऑल टुगेदर एकूण, कलेक्टेड गोळा केले जमा झाले, पेड दिले किंवा देणे या पद्धतीनं. सो लेट्स ट्राय टू गेट अप द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस एक्झाम्पल इन आवर मराठी लँग्वेज. एका सहलीसाठी एका विद्यार्थ्याला 65 रुपये फीस आहे. त्या सहलीसाठी एकूण 2,925 रुपये जमा झाले. तर एकूण किती जणांनी या सहलीसाठी पैसे दिले? म्हणजे एका विद्यार्थ्याची फीस दिले आणि टोटल जमा झालेले पैसे दिलेत. आपल्याला विद्यार्थ्यांची संख्या काढायची. या प्रश्नात सहज लक्षात येतं टोटल रुपीज जे दिलेले आहेत त्याला एका विद्यार्थ्याच्या रुपीजनं जर आपण डिवाइड केलं, भागाकार केला, तर नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स दॅट वी गेट इन टू दिस एक्झाम्पल हिअर. म्हणून या ठिकाणी परत एकदा मला डिव्हिजन ऑपरेशन या ठिकाणी फॉलो करायचं आहे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फॉर द डिव्हिजन ऑपरेशन इन टू दिस एक्झाम्पल. So at the right side, here I am taking the total rupees that are collected, 2,925. it should be divided by rupees for one student or one person. It should be 65 here. So starting from 2, extreme left digit, 2 divide 65, not possible. We take quotient 0. So 65 into 0, 0, minus from 2, next that remaining 2 here. Next digit 9 we take below, that makes 29. 29 divide 65, it is not possible. We take quotient 0. So 65 into 0, 0, 0. So remaining again 29. Now next digit 2 takes below, we get a 3-digit number there, 292. Now we want to check out which quotient should be comes here. Let's check out for 4s. 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24 plus 2, 60, 260. Can it becomes 5s? So 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30 plus 2, 32, 325. So I think 5s we cannot take. Instead of 5s we just take 4s. That means quotient we take 4. So 65 into 4 we get 260. So let's subtract from 290. So 2 minus 0, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. Now the next digit 5 takes below. We get again a 3-digit number, 325. Now here we already checked quotient 5 should becomes here. Now after taking quotient 5 we get exact 325 there. So we take quotient 5. So 65 into 5, 325. Subtract there. So I think remaining it will be 0. Can we say division complete? Yes, because the last digit 5 comes below and it should be divided by 65. That means our division process is completed. So we get final answer as 45. That means we can say here 45 students, 45 persons that are participated in that picnic there. So we have to complete your answer. How many had paid for the picnic? त्या सहलीसाठी किती जणांनी पैसे दिले? So we said 45 had paid for the picnic. So in the question that we have asked here, in that question, instead of word how many, we kept our final answer and remaining sentence we continue as it is. 45 had paid for the picnic. In this way, we complete this question number 4 into this problem set 15. Now, we continued the next question given into this problem set. That's why here I am writing that question number 5 in front of you. So, which number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product of 9688 question mark. This is again quite simple example that given us. So into this example we try to continue the answer. Now while giving this example here, which number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product of 9688? 56 या संख्येला कोणत्या संख्येने गुणलं तर गुणाकाराचं उत्तर 9688 येतं. तर या ठिकाणी ती संख्या आपल्याला शोधायची आहे. सो वाईल कॅल्क्युलेटिंग दॅट नंबर, ती संख्या शोधत असताना द प्रॉडक्ट दॅट गिवन हिअर 9688, इट शुड बी डिवायडेड बाय द गिवन multiplier here. So if product divided by multiplier, then we should get their multiplicand. म्हणजे या 56 उलट 9688 ला भागाकार केला तर कोणत्या संख्येनं 56 ला गुणलं, या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी मिळू शकतं. सो we had to identify here the operation of division. So that's why here I want to continue the operation of division in front of you. That is 9688 divided by, that is 56. So starting from 9 here, 9 divide 56. Is it possible? No. We take quotient 0. So 56 into 0, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. The next digit 6 takes below. That get 96. So 96 divide 56. So 56 ones are 56. 56 twos are, I think it should be 112. It is not possible here. So we take ones are here. So 56 ones are 56. Subtract from 96. I think it should be remaining 40s. The next digit 8 we take below. That's we get a 3-digit number 408. Let's continue. Which quotient should we take? I think we had to check out 8s. If we take 8s, 448 get, it cannot be take here. So instead of 8s, we just take 7s. So I think after checking 7s, 392 we gets there. That means we take quotient 7s, 56 7s are 392. Let's subtract from 408. So I think it should be remaining 16 only. The next digit 8 takes below. We get 168. Let's check out 3s. Is it 3s comes? 6 3s are 18. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Yes, exact 168 get. So we take quotient 3. So 56 3s are 168. So let's subtract from 168. There is remaining 0. That's why last digit 8 comes below. That we get divided by 56 and we get remaining zeros here. That's why we can say here which number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product of 9688. So that number we get as 173. So if we kept that 173 instead of which, that question tag word, and remaining sentence we can continue. That is 173 by this number on being multiplied by 56 gives a product of 9688. So this is the answer for this question number 5 here. So after this question 5 there, on the next page, that is on page number 20, you have given the next remaining 6 and 7 examples. Now on this page number 20, these 2 examples that are given there, these 2 examples just here I am taking on this green board, and after taking this green board on this green board, I am explaining the meaning of this example, and then you have to complete the answers for these 2 examples yourself in your classwork notebook there. So question 6, that here I am taking in this way. If 48 sheets are required are required for making one notebook. How many notebooks? Were in the how many notebooks at the mass will 5880 sheets make, and how many sheets will be left over? Question mark. So this question 5 that given to you, question 6 given into this, 48 sheets are required for making one notebook. How many notebooks at the mass will be 5888 sheets make, and how many sheets will be left over? So if you try to get up the meaning, sheets म्हणजे कागद, त्यानंतर required लागतात, मेकिंग बनवण्यासाठी नोटबुक वही, हाऊ मेनी किती, मास म्हणजे एकत्रित एकूण या पद्धतीनं. ओके, रिमेनिंग सेंटेन्स ॲज इट इज, लेफ्ट ओव्हर म्हणजे शिल्लक. तर या ठिकाणी असं म्हटलेलं आहे 48 कागदांपासून एक वही तयार होते. म्हणजे थोडक्यात एक वही बनवण्यासाठी 48 कागद लागतात. 5880 कागदांचा बंच समूह असेल तर एवढ्या कागदांपासून किती वह्या तयार होतील आणि किती कागद शिल्लक राहतील. So in this question number 6 we have given number of sheets required for one notebook, and we have given total number of sheets. So we had to ask the total number of notebooks made there first, and then at last we had to ask again how many sheets were left. So here into this example, if total number of sheets 5880 are divided by sheets required for one notebook, that is 48, then we can get the answer there, that is a quotient. That quotient is the answer for the first question asking into this example, and the number that remain at last, it should be the answer of our second question in this example here. So the division, that is 5880, it should be divided by 48. This division you had to carry yourself. This example, this division here I am lefting for you. This you had to complete in your notebook and try to calculate your own answer here. After that, again there is another example given, that also here I am keeping as a homework at the last of this video. That is the question 7 under this given there. That is, what will be the quotient? What will be the quotient be when the smallest 5-digit number when the smallest 5-digit number is divided by the smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit number. So this is your question 6 that given into this problem set. So look at the question here. What will be the quotient when the smallest 5-digit number is divided by the smallest 4-digit number? लहानात लहान 5 अंकी संख्येला लहानात लहान 4 अंकी संख्येनं भागाकार केला तर भागाकाराचं उत्तर काय असेल? So in this 7th question you have given 2 hidden numbers. First hidden number is that the smallest 5-digit number. You have to identify that. I think the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, and thereafter smallest second hidden number, smallest 4-digit number. So smallest 4-digit number, it should be 1000. So 10,000 divide 1000. You have to calculate the answer for this division. So these 2 examples, question 6 and question number 7, here I am putting for your homework study. That's why I am writing in on this green board as a homework. These 2 examples you had to complete in your classwork notebook as a homework. You had to carry the answer yourself. So this is about problem set number 15 given onto this division process here. Now our division process, that is the second operation given into this 4th example, it should be completed here. Now at the last of this 4th lesson we have given a problem set number 16 there. In that problem set number 16 we have given some mixed examples. I think total 6 questions are there. We start this problem set number 16 in our next video number 7 there. So till into this video we have to stop here. Thank you, goodbye, have a nice day.